Hi guys, I'm back again and again and again. I'm Pichuri Balbiscabate and a section of Living Hook. So for today's video, we're going to discuss about one of the sampling technique, which is the probability sampling. So in this video, we're going to find what is the probability sampling and what are the type of probability sampling. So keep still watching this video to learn what are they. Okay, first, what is the probability sampling? Probability sampling is the sampling technique where a teacher sets a selection of a few criteria and chooses member of a population randomly. So it means probability sampling uses randomization, and it takes steps to ensure all members of population have a chance to being selected. In short, probability sampling is a non-biased selection. It's a technique that your respondents can't hurt their feelings. So in Tagalog, hindi tayo makakasakit ng ibang. And now, let's proceed to the types of probability sampling. Probability sampling has four types. These are simple random sampling, cluster sampling, systematic sampling, and stratified random sampling. Okay, first, I'm going to discuss the first type of probability sampling, the simple random sampling or SRS. A simple random sampling, it is a reliable method of obtaining information where every single member of a population is chosen randomly. It is a very simple method that is used by the researcher. Okay, here's the one of the example. For example, you are a teacher and you have 30 students and they have a math competition in your school, and there have 5 representatives for each class. So, to do non-biased, you may do a raffle draw to select 2 students that you want to compete in math competition. Okay, what if your 5th student that you select in your raffle draw is have lack of idea and math? What will you going to do? You want to change it or choose another student or no? The answer is no, because we are non-biased. And also, this sampling method may apply while you eating your favorite snack. Example of this is ding dong or corn beats. You're going to do is, what you get is what you eat. Okay, now, let's proceed to the second type of probability sampling, is the cluster sampling. A cluster sampling is a method where the researcher divides the entire population into sections or clusters that represent a population. Clusters are identified and included in a sample based on demographic parameters. In this method, you may cluster the population instead conducting a research in a big population as a whole. It is the way to make it not difficult as you as a researcher. Okay, now let's have a scenario. You may conduct a research to all grade 6 students in your city. So, let me say, for example, Puerto Princesa, something like that. So, technically, it will be difficult for you as a researcher to obtain all grade 6 students in your city. So, you will suggest to cluster it. Then, you may cluster the students according to that day's school attended. Supposed to be, you have a school A, a school B, a school C, a school D, a school E, and a school F. And you choose a school that you want to conduct by using SRS or simple random sampling that I discussed lately. So for example, I choose school D. So meaningly, all of grade 6 students in school D is your population, or it will going to be your respondents. Okay, as simple as that.